Hello there, I'm Danny McKillop and I'm going to run you through my Photoshop tutorial today.
What I'm going to use in the example is going to be a Lamborghini from the 80s, and I'm pretty much going to change it from yellow to purple. So I'm going to go over here now. I'm going to have to get the brush tool. It's always important you select the brush tool, and you want to have black and white on standby for this. So at the bottom right here there'll be a little feature, little like square of a circle. You want to press that and that makes a mask then for you to edit. And once I have it here, now you can see my brush isn't selected, so the brackets, you want to look for the brackets on your keyboard, little square brackets, not like you edit the size of the brush, make it smaller, make it bigger. It's really important for this here part of the tutorial. So now that I have the colour applied, I'm going to go over roughly over the Lamborghini. Now at the minute I'm just going over it roughly, just going all over it. See, I'm making a mess of it at the minute now. After we have it all cleaned up here, we'll go back, we'll edit it, we'll make sure we can fine tune it here, because what you'll notice here is I'm using the white colour on the side here, on the left you can see I've got it selected, and the white colour makes it where I'm pretty much removing or otherwise I'm adding the colour in this sense. So after I've got this all over, I'm going to have to sit now and I'm going to have to use the black here. As you can see, the black will actually then remove, so I have to go over to windows. You see here the air vents, you want to go over them. Little spaces you maybe missed here, like I've missed some on the spoiler. I can zoom in and you see the little pixels, I can like remove all those. And honestly, this is going to take some time. You're probably going to sit in here for a good little bit, editing away, and you see that I made a mistake there. I added in a colour I didn't want. I can easily fix it with this. It's a lot easier to use than, let's say, eraser tool, because I can fix stuff immediately. I'm not losing any pixels. I can just go back and edit it anytime. So yeah, let's see, we'll zoom in here. You see this little detail, it's a little, like that's the turning signal light. You know, obviously we don't want that purple. Well, I go over all the details of the colour and make sure everything is finely coloured. So an extremely good tactic if you want to spot a lot of pixels and the way they're spread out, the ones that you're missing, you can go here to blending options and you can temporarily add a stroke. But once you add a stroke, you'll see here it has this very weird effect, but this helps you to spot out pixels you might have missed. So I can go over these and I can, like, you know, actually fix up and make sure that I haven't got purple in areas that I don't want anything, because I do want to make this look as natural as I can. And once you go over this, you fix the windows, headlights, all the features I named before. And once it's all done here, I will quickly show you. So now I have a finished example I've actually spent some good time on. This is what your finished result should be. If you want to check out kind of the difference between your main one and the mask and edit, you can click this little eye icon and it'll actually, you know, like hide it and apply it, so when you can notice the difference and see if you've actually done a good job or not. I think, you know, it's obviously I wouldn't pick this colour, but I think it serves a good example of how you can do the masking tool. If this tutorial is actually useful to you, make sure you like and share the video and tell all your friends and family about it, and I hope you've actually walked away with something that will be useful, and I hope you can play around with this effect.
Thanks for tuning in to my Photoshop tutorial. I hope you've learned something today, and I really hope you can maybe like and share and subscribe to this YouTube channel.